Is Google Chrome finally getting a real competitor? OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, might be cooking up something massive, an AI powered web browser that could change the internet as we know it. Introducing the ChatGPT browser, a Google Chrome killer. We all know Chrome has dominated the browser world for over a decade, right? But now there's a storm brewing in Silicon Valley. According to multiple tech insiders, OpenAI is rumored to be developing a next gen web browser fully powered by its GPT models, possibly the GPT 5 or beyond models. So, why does this matter? Because it's true that this AI browser won't just show you results like Chrome or Firefox, it will understand your intent, summarize pages for you, search the web for answers in real time, and even do tasks like filling out forms, booking tickets, or writing emails, all inside the browser. Here's what we might get in the ChatGPT browser. The first feature that we would like to get is the voice first interaction. In this feature, you can talk to your browser like Siri or Alexa, but more smarter. The second feature is the auto summarization. If you have too many tabs, the browser can easily summarize everything. And the next one is the context memory, where ChatGPT browser can remember what you're researching and thus helping over time. The last feature is the built-in ChatGPT everywhere, on every page, in every form, in every button. This kind of browser doesn't just display the internet, it interacts with it. That's a direct threat to Chrome, which is still based on a traditional design from the 2000s. Imagine replacing every Google search with an instant, accurate ChatGPT answer that pulls live info that could seriously cut into Google's search revenue, which is the heart of its business. So, when is this browser launching? Well, there's no official release date yet, but according to leaks and job postings at OpenAI, something big is happening behind the scenes in 2025. Some experts predict a beta version could roll out by late 2025 or early 2026, right when OpenAI is expected to announce GPT-5. Now, to be fair, OpenAI hasn't officially confirmed a full fledged browser, but in the early 2024, between the months from April to June, they did launch a web browsing feature inside ChatGPT for Plus users, which includes a subscription that you need to pay. That move was just the beginning. This isn't just about competing with Chrome, this is all about creating a new way to experience the internet, one that's intelligent, personal, and maybe even autonomous. Think of it as an AI assistant that doesn't just sit in the browser, it is the browser. So, are we looking at the future of browsing? Will ChatGPT replace Chrome, Safari, and Firefox? Or is this all overhype? Comment below what you think. Would you switch to an AI browser from OpenAI? And don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you love this type of tech updates. And this is from Wonder Master, and I will see you in the next one. See ya!